So, getting international SIM cards can be very expensive sometimes and very difficult to even source or even get as a whole. It's sometimes a lot of work, and sometimes people pay heavily just to get international numbers. And there are some servers that you have to renew monthly, or sometimes you even have to pay out of your teeth just to keep maintaining and keeping that international number. But in this video, I come bearing solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get eSIM cards for free. If you don't know what eSIM cards are, maybe you should just look it up, or better, so let me explain. What SIM cards mean is that they mean electronic SIM card. You don't need a physical copy. There's almost all phones have that part of them that you can just add an eSIM card to it. All right, you can just check it up on internet if this explanation doesn't really, if you don't really understand this explanation. All right, but if you're new here, my name is Gerard. I make easy for this tutorials. It's been a while I made a video like this. I've tried transitioning into other videos, but I want to make this video because I realized that there are a lot of people asking me this question. So I decided to make this video and answer these questions. So in this video, I'm going to show you six sites that can provide you with free eSIM. All right, they're going to provide with free eSIM card. These are like international numbers, like especially US numbers that you can use to make calls, receive SMS, create WhatsApp, create Facebook, create whatever accounts you want to create. Is just they'll be inputted in your phone and you'll be able to do all of that. I believe a lot of people already know what eSIM cards mean, so let me not really go down that hole of trying to like explain what it really means. All right, so if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. All right, turn on the post notification and also like this video. All right, and at the end of this video, I appreciate if you drop a comment in the comment section below. Okay, uh disclaimer, this is for educational purposes only. All right, so this is for people who want to, like, people who are into freelancing, who want to reach out to probably foreign clients to probably patronize their jobs. People are say basically people who are into, maybe your programmer, your videographer, and you just need that extra help. You understand, that extra push to get these same cards, maybe talk to communicate with people internationally, or maybe create accounts on other foreign sites that you need to maybe put out and get gigs from. So like I said, this is strictly for educational purposes only. So without wasting much time, let us get down to business. So the first website on our list is called usmobile.com. All right. First of all, before you rush into this, I'm going to leave all of these links in the description below. All right. All of these things I'm going to mention here, I'm going to leave them in the description below. So all you have to do is at the end of this video, you can just look down and just go down there and click, and then you'll see all of these links there. Okay. And I'm going to explain how this works. So don't just rush to go there and start clicking on links. All right. So like I said, the first website that we're having is called usmobile.com. All right. Now, first of all, before you even begin, I need you to understand that some of these websites, that they will give you only free 1 month free trial. All right. They give you just 1 month free trial. So within that 1 month, if you find it useful, if you enjoy the services, you can just go ahead and pay for the remaining for the service. But these are not expensive. So some of these websites require for you to input a credit card. Don't worry, I'll make a separate video on how to get a free credit card. How to get a credit card that can use to input on this. And these credit cards, they don't have any money in it. Like, they are just like dummy credit cards that you can just create online and you can just use it. So I'll make a separate video on that. All right. I think that's what I will do. All right. So like I said, the first one is called usmobile.com/eSIM. I'll leave a description, everything in the description below. All right. So this the interface is very easy to navigate. It's straight up. You don't need to do the whole back and forth thing. You just go there and just follow the steps, and then you get this whole thing done. The second website is 9to5mark.com. I said I will also leave a link in the description to this. All right. This website has been around for almost forever. All right. It's very, very nice. It's a very great website, and you're definitely going to enjoy having that eSIM card. They're going to provide a free eSIM card. But this one, they provide a Verizon eSIM card. I'm sure most of you are familiar with what Verizon eSIM card is. So they're going to provide you a Verizon eSIM card. All right, so that's the one. Just in case if you don't like Verizon eSIM card, you can also opt for the other website that I'm going to mention. All right, so the third one is uscellular.com. All right, like I said, you don't have to rush. I'm going to leave it in the description below. All right, this tool is very easy to navigate. You don't really need any technical skill or have any any other skill to be able to access this website. You get, so it's very easy to use. So the fourth one is called coveragecritics.com. All right, coveragecritics.com. This also provides you with a eSIM card for 1 month. It's very super easy to use. This interface is very nice to navigate. You just enter there and you do whatever you want to do. So for this video, this is the ones that as I said earlier, I told you guys I'm going to mention 6, but this video I'm going to mention just these 3 for now. All right. So I want you guys to try this out. If you want the remaining 3 site, if this one doesn't work for you and you want the remaining 2 website, all you have to do is just comment eSIM in the comment section below, and I will make a separate video. I'll make a part 2 video on this very topic, then provide the remaining 3 if that doesn't work for you. All you have to do is just comment eSIM in the description below, and I will make a separate video on that. So like I said, if you're new here, I'm Gerard and I make this different tutorial. So if you are watching at this point, please subscribe to my channel. Please, I beg you, like this video and also drop a comment in the comment section below. All right, so if you find this video helpful, find this video educative, just drop a comment. Any comment at all is meant to help this push this video and help it do well on the YouTube algorithm. All right, so see you guys in the next.